Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to explain you the activity. So first activity is to prove that glucose is required for respiration and carbon dioxide is released during this process. For this activity, we require three narrow mouthed bottles, yeast powder, sugar, a few marker, balloons, tablespoon, and a trough full of lime water. Procedure or method is: first, we will add equal quantity of warm water to each of the three bottles and name them A, B, and C. Then we will add 1 tablespoon of sugar in bottle A and 2 tablespoons of sugar in bottle B and mix them well. Three bottles are there. In first bottle we, we have taken 1 spoon of sugar, and in bottle B we have taken 2 spoon of sugar, which is mixed in warm water. In all the three bottle there we have taken warm water, and then add 1 to 1.5 to 2 tablespoon of yeast in each bottle and give it a gentle shake. By shaking it, we will mix the materials inside it and then fix one balloon to each and wait overnight. ओवरनाइट मतलब पूरी रात के लिए हम लोग उसको छोड़ देंगे. Now note your observation. What you will observe? You will observe that in bottle A, the balloon is inflated a little. In bottle B, the balloon get inflated to its full extent. And in bottle C, the balloon has not inflated. So, what is the investigation? Next morning, we will very carefully extract the balloons from A and B, making sure that the gas not escape from inside. Very carefully, we will take out the balloon from the bottle by closing its mouth so that the gas will remain inside the balloon. By using our fingers and thumb, we will do it very carefully. Now hold the balloons in the lime water trough in such a manner that the mouth remains securely under the liquid, and then bring this balloon inside the trough of lime water. लाइम वाटर चूना पानी हम लोग एक ट्रफ में लेंगे और उसमें very carefully we will pass the gas from this balloon, and so let the gas out by gently removing your fingers from the mouth of the balloon. What is observation? We will see that the lime water turns milky, and this is the test for carbon dioxide gas. If the gas released is carbon dioxide, then lime water turns milky. So, the balloon in bottle C shows no change, showing that no gas was formed in absence of sugar. A and B balloons are inflated, a fact that proves some gas has been produced. B makes a bigger balloon, indicating fermentation is more vigorous if the amount of sugar is increased in the solution. So in bottle B, we have taken 2 spoons of sugar, and in bottle A we have taken 1 spoon of sugar and equal amount of yeast, but the balloon in bottle B get more inflated because there is more sugar and reaction occurs very fastly there. The fermentation process, I have already explained you that in fermentation the sugar get converted into ethyl alcohol, and at the same time it release carbon dioxide gas which get collected in the balloon, and when we pass this gas in the lime water, then lime water turns milky, showing that the gas is carbon dioxide. Next activity is to prove that we give out carbon dioxide during respiration. In this reaction also, respiration, that means we are doing aerobic respiration. In the presence of oxygen we respire, and after respiration we release carbon dioxide gas, and by this activity we prove that we give out carbon dioxide during respiration. Again, we have to take lime water, 2 beakers, pipette and a pipette pump. The procedure is: take lime water in 2 beakers. In 1 beaker, pump air for a minute using a pipette pump and note down your observation. And in the other beaker, introduce exhaled air for a minute. Exhaled air means we have to release air from our mouth. And then we will note the observation. We will observe that lime water turns milky in the beaker where exhaled air was introduced. Carbon dioxide that is exhaled, it dissolves in water to form carbonic acid, and it reacts with the water to form a white substance called calcium carbonate and water. So, in this way, it also proves that during respiration, carbon dioxide gas is released, which can be seen in the lime water, which turns milky when we pass this carbon dioxide in the beaker.